Again, dear brother, we're so happy to have you here, and we're so excited to see how it comes out. So for now, I would like to offer you this card. It's gonna be discount. Once you have this card, you're gonna be able to benefit from our discount. Even for your family member, they can benefit from it. So once you get anything Turkey, at operation for dental treatment, hair transplant, any other surgery, we're gonna be able to provide. So never hesitate to call us again. Congratulations for having the card.
Thank you so much, really appreciate it to get this good deal discount. I hope I'll see you again for another amazing service.
Yeah.
So thanks so much again.
Hey buddy, thank you so much.
So thank you. I'm happy to hear, and I'm happy with the staff members, and I would like to say thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. I love this company so much. Thank you.
Oh my God, that's so perfect.